Hey guys, as you may or may not know, I finally submitted into the NYX Face Awards after years of wanting to, and I was chosen in the top 30. And they sent me these gigantic packages, and this is my unboxing video. Face Awards! From Target. Sugarberry perfume. Let me smell it. Ooh. 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 Ooh, I think I know what this is. Ooh, that's cool. So big. Look at how luscious. Ooh. 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 Zoom into that. Look at that. Ooh. Damn. Yes. Mineral rich. Okay. All right. Mineral rich water for strong, healthy, makeup ready skin. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Hair stuff. I've never used these, but I've always wanted to. The bun sponge things. Cool. Bunch of clips. Yes. Ooh, my hair's about to look so good. Bobby pins. Clips. More clips. More bobby pins. These spiral things. Don't know what those are. Yoobi. A cactus pen cup. Ah. Cute. And a cactus corkboard organizer. Ooh. Last one in this box. Clarisonic. Top 30. Ooh. Ooh. Look out. I'm about to have the clarest skin on the block. That's so cute. All the boxes say congratulations on top 30. Oh my god, it's so soft. And that's it for this first box. What's in the box? Paper. They sent me a bunch of paper. Specialty clips. Whew. I'm running out of space. What's that? And they gave us a dog? That's just too much. Thank you, NYX. Thank you so much. So I'll open the face box first. Well, I am set with paper for wrapping my artwork now. Holy shit. Oh my god. A ton of highlighters, blushes, highlighting and contour cream pro palette, highlighting contour pro palette. Jesus. Okay, and every shade of their Total Control foundation, which I love. Ombre blush, every ombre blush. Bunch of bronzer. Oh my goodness. Waterproof concealers. Born to glow. Ah! Oh my god. Born to glow. More of it. There's a dewy finishing setting spray and the matte finishing spray, which I love. Oh my gosh. More blush. Yes. 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 That's just all their shades. Holy shit. Look at all this. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. Look at all these shades. Ah! Color correcting cream. Wonder Sticks. And my favorite concealer. Okay. Now I'm going to open the eyes. Oh my God. Holy shit. Okay. This is a lot to take in. I feel like it's Christmas morning, but better than any Christmas I've ever experienced. Their warm neutrals shadow palette and their cool neutrals shadow palette. Ooh. Their smokescreen shadows and their electric shadows. I'm so excited. Woo! Next. Oh yes, I actually was gonna buy these the other day. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful. Take it all in. Look. Ooh, they're colorful liquid liners. They're black liquid liners in every tip. Holy shit. More liquid liners. And then there is liner and smudger in, I think, every shade. Tinted brow pomade. Yes. Look at all these colors. Gel pencil liner in brown and black. Oh my God. All these single eyeshadows. Look at them all. Ooh, that mustard color I'm gonna have fun with. It's called Butterscotch Caramel. Next. Okay, now I'm gonna go through the tools. Oh my God. Makeup wipes, a necessity. Brush cleaning pad. I needed a new one of those. Oh my God, all these sponges. Look at them. Beauty blender. On the spot makeup brush cleaner. Oh my God. I think this is a sign I need to clean my makeup brushes. Oh wait, no I don't. I have all new ones. It's like every brush I've ever seen for makeup. Look. Oh my God. This is so great. This is to hold brushes. Yeah. Never used one of these, but it's to hold my my makeup brushes. Oh. Excuse me. Okay, next. Kill me. Now I'm gonna do lips. There we go. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful in your entire life? Seriously, because I haven't. Except my dog. He's a stunner. Oh my God, look at that. Look at all of them. Lip liners and their liquid suede line. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to try this purple. Look at all these colors. Oh, they're matte lip creams. Oh my goodness. Butter gloss, lip cream. Ah! Oh my God. I'm so excited right now. Liquid lingerie. I'm pretty sure I already have most of these shades because this is one of my favorite matte lipsticks. But you can never have too many, so that's great. This is everything. Lip Loving Balm. Powder lip cream. Puppy Love, Group Love, and Teenage Dream. Okay, let's get a box shot. Get a shot of my box. Next is Specialty. Honestly, me getting into the top 30 was like the biggest surprise. Because when I saw all the other submissions, I'm like, oh shit. There's no way. Because these people are so talented. And I had wanted to do this for years. And then I finally did it. And this, oh my God, it's such an honor. Face paints. Cream face paints. Oh my goodness. and setting powder SFX set. Cream color. Look at these. Oh, that blue. That is a sexy blue. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at it. Well, I guess I'm set for the challenge. Woo! And I wanted to give a gigantic thank you to NYX Professional Makeup, Target, Redken, Vichy, Clarisonic, The Powder Room, Yoobi, the Audio Network, Kitsch, and any other sponsors. Thank you so, so much. And thank you for choosing me to be in the top 30 for the NYX Face Awards 2018. It means so much. I cannot wait to see what the first challenge is, and I can't wait to see what everyone creates.